everyone, welcome to a new video.
We're in Dubrovnik.
We just landed in Croatia.
I know.
It's Renee's birthday. Woo! We love her. Say happy birthday to her. I wish her happy birthday. She's the best. She's my best friend in the whole world and I love her so much. More than any of you people do. Yes! Anyways, we landed super late, later than we thought. So we were like, do we go out? Like, do we? And we just need food and like a drink to celebrate this life. And we're like, everywhere says it's closed. And we're like not in the old town, but we just came down here to check everything. Some things are open. So we're happy.
This is dinner.
We're having a really great time. Okay, so they're cleaning the streets. This is Renee, the birthday girl. She's right there. Anyways, they're cleaning the streets. And like, why doesn't everybody do this? That's why it looks like glass. See how it looks like glass? It looks like glass.
It's literally so beautiful.
It looks like glass. Everybody should clean the streets.
Oh, thank
I don't understand. You got it. Okay, update on the vlog.
Okay, how cute this key is.
We just got back.
This is the cutest key.
We literally had the best key. Honestly, imagine us. Let's just picture this for a second. Us sitting on this bed, struggling to figure out if we should even leave this place or not to get food. Just food. And maybe a drink. And then...
The Irish pubs never fail.
It's true.
The Irish pubs never fail.
We're just like, fuck it, let's go to the old town. I guarantee something will be open. A million things were open. Not a million, but like a lot of things were open.
Old town I've ever seen.
It's stunning. We went out. A bunch of pubs were open. Obviously, the Irish pubs, because they could never fail you.
The Irish pubs were open. Don't sleep on the Irish pubs.
Never. Anyways, we went out and had a great time. Drinks. Food was also open late, like past.
We had pizza. It was
2 a.m.
6.5. But if you're hungry, you can eat it.
And honestly, if you're drunker than we are, then it would probably taste like a 10.
I'm drunk. I'm not
It's our birthday, so it's okay. Anyways, we had a great time. We're back in our Airbnb. Ubers are a thing. It was great. We got back here safely. Amazing. Old Town's amazing. First start to the trip. Awesome. We have so much more to do tomorrow. Hopefully our boat tour works out, but we'll talk about that tomorrow. And yeah, so good night for now. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Hello everyone, I'm ill.
She's ill, but it's also her birthday. Our boat tour did get canceled, but it's a gorgeous day out, so it's interesting.
Anyways, I'm eating chicken pasta with truffle, and we're sharing. And this is seafood.
That's stunning.
Pasta. Looks really good.
So we're gonna eat, enjoy the day, and walk around and explore. Woo. We're getting gelato,
Lemon with
and
basil.
and our pasta was really good.
And I want to get a painting, but then the guy that was selling them kept touching me, and now I'm
Yeah, he was weird. Called her a tiger.
The banana with chocolate.
That sounds so good. I'm making apple
Yogurt
pie.
flavor.
Okay, so Croatia might be one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen in my life. Like everywhere you look is just stunning. And we're walking to the cable car. Like, wow. Okay, we have come to these stairs. People compare them to the Spanish steps in Rome, but they're not as big. And then you come up to this square. And it's gorgeous. Okay, we've come to this cool bar. Don't know what it's called. What's it called, Renee?
It's like Buzza Bar.
Buzza Bar. It's cash only, but it's stunning. Yeah, it's stunning. Okay, so we've come to this place called the Beer Company. Dubrovnik Beer Company. It's really sick. I'm gonna show you. They have like, it's a
classic brewery.
They have like their 4 beers all posted out, and then all it takes like and we got food. Okay, we got jalapeno poppers. I got a pulled pork sandwich, and Renee got a chicken wrap. What just happened?
Okay, this hostel or
Pardon me.
This Airbnb. First of all, show the window.
Okay. This Airbnb is sick. You guys should stay here. Like, look what we gotta wake up to every day.
That is
Okay, it's not focusing, but we'll get a better view. But you guys get the gist of it. It's gorgeous. See? Stunning. Anyways, back to Renee Shaw.
The little lady that runs this hostel. She just came upstairs and she was like, I got you this wine for your birthday. And it's their wine. And we're going to the beach. And we needed wine.
Wine?
And we have some.
I know.
That is so sweet. You guys should stay here. It's very cheap. It's pretty cheap.
Yeah.
It's great location. Right by the bus. Ubers are so
cheap here.
Literally like $10.
They're like the same as the buses anyways. This is so cute.
That is so cute. Love it.
Shout out
We'll
you.
link it. Okay, the girls are on a struggle bus today for no reason. Like, we've been shopping for like 3 days and it's like the hardest 3 days of my life.
I've never been so hot.
Too long of a hiatus in between.
I've never been so hot. My shirt was choking me today.
No, literally. We were at this beach. The sunset is friggin' ass. But no,
We brought the wine.
We brought the wine. The beach is gorgeous. This is what we should have done today. Regrets. We kind of fucked it around.
We realized exactly what she did today.
It was just like we thought it was gonna be cold.
We thought it was gonna be cold, so we didn't dress for walking.
Boat tour got canceled.
Yeah, it really fucked us all up.
It really fucked us up.
And then we should have came to this beach, just laid down, gotten a tan all day, swam, drinking, eating, drunk. We should have been chill. That's what everything leads to. And then,
but we'll show you the beach. It's pretty.
yeah, it is really pretty. So we'll flip it around. See, gorgeous.
It's better in the camera.
That's so sad. Anyway, look at this hotel. Wow. And look, these trees, they look big. They're like from a fairy tale. Yeah. Okay, we came out for dinner and we got fried calamari and pizza and a bottle of wine as well for her birthday dinner.
It's 3 a.m.
It sure is 3 a.m. We went to the Irish pub again.
Irish pubs are so fun and just go. It was kind of chill. It was good.
It is 3 a.m., but we had a chill night.
And now we're here and we're going to bed because we're leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, we are leaving tomorrow. We're going to Hvar and we're meeting up with the boys. And it's going to be a great time.
Crazy. All I have to say is the old town, Dubrovnik, is the literal most beautiful thing I've ever seen. It's so beautiful at night.
It's swing at night. It reminds me of our time in Malta.
If I could redo this day, I would go to the beach all day and then just go to the old town at night. But I get seeing it during the day, like I get it. But yeah. That's what I would do, so that's my suggestion. It's so beautiful and I freaking am obsessed with it and it's crazy and it's gorgeous and it's amazing and I love this place and I would come back for sure.
Agreed.
Anyways, good night.
Okay, good morning. Unsplit. We took the bus this morning at 9 in the morning to come to Split to take the ferry to Hvar. It's actually a comfortable bus, but we were so tired for some reason. Like, me and Renee, are literally comfortable the whole time. I don't know what's wrong. Anyways, we got iced coffees while we're waiting for our ferry. They look really good. It's good. It is not a good iced coffee.
Worst iced coffee I've ever had. I think it's milk and water.
Yeah, it's not good. I added an extra shot of espresso, but it didn't really help. Okay, we're sitting at the beach, waiting for our ferry to go. I'm doing Renee's eyebrows.
Yeah.
And that's what we're doing. And then we're gonna go to the ferry and go. And we got some stuff to mix up. This is what we're seeing on our walk back to the ferry. It's gorgeous. Okay, take off. Renee's gonna hear her pastry. Potato. And it's just a gorgeous view right there.
It's gorgeous. It's me.
Date.
We're in Hvar and it's pretty friggin' unreal.
We made it.
Pretty unbelievable.
Unbelievable. There's that boat. Anyways.
Also, Brooklyn is
What?
Picture of the ferry.
What? What?
The kickboard went off the barrier.
They
You're
could-
taking too long.
No, you were taking too long, and then we got off, and we literally standed on the ground, and they were like, "Can you move?" I was like, "Okay." Anyways, love Croatians. Gotta go. We'll see you at the hostel. This is Kylie, a special guest.
We're at the silent disco.
I'm so honored.
I was gonna say as we should be, but honestly, as we should be, because she's amazing. Anyways, back to
silent
it.
disco.
We're at a silent disco.
You can change the music. You can change the volume. You can, if your color matches, then you're listening to the same song, but you can change it.
It's interesting. I don't know how to work it. Renee's really good at it. I'm not very good at it. She can figure it out. I can't clearly, obviously. But can you hear it? I don't know if you can hear it, but it doesn't matter. Anyways, we're here. We're on a pub crawl for our hostel. Our hostel's great this time.
We love her. Yeah.
It doesn't suck. And we're gonna be pub crawl, and we'll meet you up later. Maybe not. I don't know. This is the time where we're like, maybe we're gonna vlog, maybe we're not. So.
We're at a different club now. We're at Take My Horse to the Old Town Road. I want to see the inside.
Everyone's right.
Fire.
I know. It's so good.
We jump on someone's boat.
The water is so clear, okay, you cannot see. It's the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
Renee's first tornado.
Really fast.
Like around?
Yeah.
This video is stunning.
Do this, and then spin back.
What?
You gotta do a couple of these, and then. Spin it like this first. Yeah. Fast. Now back. Motion up. Yeah, there you go.
Say hello, everybody. We finally got to do a road tour because mine got canceled on my birthday.
Yeah, and they really just don't want to see the caves, but we literally just dove into a cave, and then we like
Oh my God, it was so
dove
cool.
underneath.
I feel like we'll do a whole lay down later about everything that we did today. But the caves were closed, but we went to another cave. They really don't want me to do the caves, but it's fine.
This is what we're doing all day. We booked into our hostel, which we'll talk about later too. It's awesome. Phyllis and Anthony. Great.
Amazing. We're happy.
And everyone should send pictures of painting.
Yes. Okay, this is like the most stunning thing I've ever seen. Holy man.
Oh, okay. That was so hard to get down there. Yeah, I thought I was down. I tried to count it. I'm like, alright.
Got no shame.
Like sushi?
Really?
Sushi restaurant? You're gonna take a
Octopus.
the dinner. It's a shooter.
Digestivo. Maglikuvats.
We just had.
I just want to look that up. I just want to look this up for myself, so that's why I'm saving it.
But I'm telling you along that we had that.
Yeah, it was good. My hair's a little nuts. Also, look at my skin disease. I actually look like I'm dying, I think.
Okay, I'm vlogging. The stars are stunning. You look amazing. She looks amazing. I look amazing. No, I look like dog shit. Anyways.
I look like literally the most beautiful girl I've ever seen in my life. I look fucking normal.
We're going to the club in Hvar. Okay,
now
well,
the stars are beautiful. Oh, come on. Come on. No, I actually know how to take a picture of the stars.
okay, now we can't see anybody, so we're gonna delete and then, no, not. This is our guard turtle. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, that's so cool.
Just show your sandwich to my vlog. That's This is cappuccino.
Masz picie.
Renee ditched me and she went out for lunch with Parker, so I'm with the boys. I got a chicken burrito. Got chicken, pasta. Together again. Thank God.
My lunch was ass.
Mine was really good.
Right there.
Oh,
Literally right there.
okay, don't go here. I don't know where that is, but don't go. I was sick of my glasses too. They have our things, Renee.
I know I said Parker should get a pair of slides.
Move, Parker. Do slides. Anyways, we're going to the beach.
Humor me, I feel like I want a few that I'm more inside the water.
Some people go to Costco, so this guy goes to the
Yeah, like those snakes are cute, but like anything bigger, no.
Is it poisonous?
What's your name? Hi. He's so cute. He's trying to hide from me now. Hello.
And then you're gonna tie your shoe.
And then I'm gonna tie my shoe.
Sorry? I'll probably have to.
Do the spin. This is a Mexican roll. It's from a bakery. It's like the same type of thing that we got before with the beef and stuff in it. It's really good. It's like a taquito, but like healthier, but like really good. And that's a good drunk snack. Brooklyn doesn't know how she feels about hers yet, but I think she likes it.
Okay, hello. I just wanted to finish off this video by saying we absolutely love Croatia. Like, again, one of the most stunning places we've ever been. Dubrovnik's old town, absolutely insane. Hvar was awesome. The boat day is honestly, most definitely one of the best days of my whole entire life. We kind of got distracted when we were there and didn't talk about a lot, but the hostel that we stayed in, Villa Scansi, is also one of the best hostels we've ever stayed in, and that says a lot because we've stayed in probably around 1 million at this point. So they have free pizza every single night. It's absolutely delicious.